Always very exciting with the first print on a new printer. Never know what's gonna happen. So this is the weeping with a Duet, and just printing a calibration cube to adjust flow. So that's all that's going on. So basically just manually leveled the bed and sliced this cube, and yeah, running. So this fan is, as always, these fans are noisy. They make a lot of noise, so I guess I changed that to a 40 fan. It's a standard E3D hot end going on. I'm not gonna bore you with this stuff. Come back with some more interesting stuff later, but yeah, first print. So happy. Have a nice day.